Welcome to the Aftermarket analysis by Niftynayak.com, and I am Vinayak. Today, market was very volatile and it was all over the place. In fact, it made a W pattern today. W means it fell, went up, fell, went up. Today morning at 9:15, I was sitting in front of my laptop and TV, and when market opened, there was a gap up of around 60-70 points in Nifty. The news anchor told that we are in a bull market, you should use every dip for buying, this is the time for you to invest and other things. By the time he could complete that sentence, market went into the red. And then he was like, the global conditions are not suitable for markets to go higher, so you should use the rally for selling purpose and other things. By the time he could complete that sentence, again markets were like green. I had even put a tweet that in the first 15 minutes itself, Nifty shot up 60-70 points, then fell to minus 50 points, then again shot up 60-70 points. So that is how volatile the market was. And it is expected because now the geopolitical conditions are not good. So every day this Russia-Ukraine thing is taking a new turn. One day the Ukrainian minister comes and tells that Russia is not planning to invade. We are in talks and we are going to settle things down very soon. Then another day US is telling that Russia has deployed all its troops in the Ukrainian border and they may attack Ukraine anytime. So when there are these kind of news, you never know what is going to happen in the market. Look, and not only our market, even the US market, European market, Asian markets, crypto market, crude oil market, everywhere there is volatility. Crude oil went up to $94 yesterday and came down to $92. Okay, so this is how volatile the market are. And now we are going to a RBI policy event which is there on this Thursday. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, but because Wednesday is some bank holiday, it got postponed to Thursday. So this weekly expiry is going to be a dhamakedar expiry, because now there are a lot of rumors going around in the market that RBI is going to increase repo rate and keep reverse repo rate constant, and some are telling they'll increase in reverse repo rate and they'll keep repo rate constant, some are telling they'll increase both. So you know, if there is a major event, there will be a lot of speculation which will be happening around that event. Okay, so now let me just show you how Nifty charts are behaving. So I hope you guys can see the screen. So you can see that Nifty took a strong support at 17,200. In fact, yesterday I told you that if 17,200 is taken out, then you can expect more fall in the market. Today, in fact, it went below 17,200, but if you see the closing, it is above 17,200. So I believe that markets are respecting 17,200 level. Okay, but again, this is not the time for you to go long. We need more confirmation. There should be a good follow through on the upside, and you know, nowadays FIIs, they are just selling each and every opportunity whatever they get. So today I want to see what is the FII sell figures. If they are again selling in 1,000 plus crores, then you will not have any hope of market going higher. But in case if their selling has gone down, if it is within 400-500 crores, then probably you can expect some short covering rally which can happen in some time. And now markets have fallen for 4 consecutive days, Nifty. So I believe that whatever is going to happen in the RBI policy has been factored in. Okay, so I am not expecting the RBI event to be a knee-jerk reaction on the market, but you never know. It's just my point of view. And today, many stocks which had fallen for last 4 days consecutively recovered slightly. Reliance, Tata Steel, Maruti and other things. And even ITC recovered slightly, and it looks like now ITC may not fall further. Probably I am feeling that because I have some long trades now in ITC. But anyway, so coming to the IPO which got listed today, we had Adani Wilmar which got listed today. At opening, it was up by only 3-4%. So I thought markets did not like Adani Wilmar, and now Adani Wilmar is going to fall and close in red. But unfortunately, that did not happen. By the end of the day, it closed around by gaining 15-16%. So the IPO frenzy is still there. So it looks like this retail IPO frenzy market may not end anytime soon. So now we have some of the great companies which are coming out with their IPO, that is LIC, NSC and other things. So let's see how markets will treat those IPOs. So crude, as I told you, is above $92, which is actually bad for India. So if the war escalation continues, then I won't be surprised even if it goes to 100. Okay, but I can tell you, if the war thing cools down, I am pretty sure that there will be a sharp fall even in the crude oil prices. Okay. So now recently we had a post in social media where Hyundai Pakistan has put some images telling that Kashmir should be free from India and other things, which did not, which obviously we should not be liking them. So I totally boycott Hyundai products. Okay, and I am sure even you guys will be doing that. So even if you have any plans of buying any car, I will suggest you not to go for Hyundai, because these elements should be taught a lesson in a strict way. Okay. Now Facebook is planning to shut down its Facebook and Instagram in in some of the European countries because of some dispute what they are having. But if that happens, then that is a very bad thing that can happen for Facebook. See, Europe is not dependent on Facebook. Europe was there even before Facebook came into existence. So I don't know whether it's a threatening move what Facebook is doing, or are they really going to remove Facebook and Meta app from Europe? I don't think that might happen. But anyway, the stock future prices are also not reflecting any of those kind of things. So I don't think that might be a very huge event. But if you see, the tech stocks in the US are falling drastically. So obviously that is for the reason that they had gone up sharply. That's why. Okay. So now will this be another reason for people to take out money from the tech stocks? Okay. Which we will come to know in another 1 or 2 trading session in the US. And I keep a strong eye on US market is because, as I have told you this before, we Indian markets, we simply follow the US markets. Okay. So it won't be wrong if you closely watch the US markets as well. So yeah, that's all I had for today's meet. But yesterday I had, in my aftermarket analysis video, I had asked the question and I told that whoever answers this question, 5 people will be getting access to my option trading model course, right? Yes, I got a lot of comments in the video, but I made a small mistake. I did not make the video public. Okay, when I was editing the video, there is a checkbox called make it public. I did not check that box. So people who had access to that link only were able to watch the video. So I thought I will give one more day today, and by reading some of the comments, I felt that people have not got the question right. Okay, so let me just rephrase my question so that you get the question right, and I want you to comment your answer in this video as well. Okay, and tomorrow I will definitely be coming out with a video and I will be telling my answer for that. So the question is simple. Now for 2 minutes, just forget about stocks, stock market, option trading, future trading or whatever. Okay, if you want to make money, there are 2 things what you can do. One, you develop a product, or if you have a product which will make others people lives simpler, or if they bring happiness in other people's life, then they will be buying your product and they will be giving you money. The other thing is, if you are providing some service to someone, then in return for your service, they will be giving you money. So these are the only two ways where you can make money. So for example, if I'm a car manufacturer, I manufacture car, I give it to people. People buy it from me because they want to travel around places with the car. So when they buy it from me, they will be giving me money. Now many of you go to jobs, okay? So when you are going to a job, you are actually providing a service to your employer or to your boss or to your company, because of which you are paid money in the form of salary, right? Now let us come to stock market. In stock market, I am talking about trading, okay? So in trading, what is that you are doing in order for money to come to you? So as a trader, you don't have a product, you do not provide any service, whereas investing is a different part. In investing, you provide capital to the business to run their business successfully, so it makes sense for you to expect profit, money, dividend or whatever from the business, right? But in trading, especially F&O trading, futures and options trading, you don't have any product which you are giving it to others. You are not providing any service to anyone. Now, if you are a trader, what qualifies you to expect money? Why are you even expecting money from others? Okay. As I told you, there are two ways where you can expect money, and if you are not doing both of them here, then why are you even expecting money? What is that quality or thing what you are doing where people will come and pay you money? It is a very simple question. I hope you guys have understood it. So write down your comments. Okay, I found lot of comments telling they should have, they are dedicating their time, they are having less expectation and all. But see, dedicating time doesn't qualify you for someone to give you money, right? Just because you are giving your time doesn't mean that someone will come and give their money to you. Okay, and you are working hard also is not a qualification. See, now let me give you an example. There are two woodcutters. One woodcutter uses that electric chain machine or whatever that machine, okay, for cutting trees, whereas another woodcutter uses axe. Now if this person who uses this electric axe, he can cut 100 trees in a day, whereas a person who uses axe, he will be able to cut only 1 or 2 trees in a day. So now just because he has used a lot of time and energy to cut only 2 trees, he can't go to the market and tell, give me 1000 rupees per kg for that tree. Okay, probably in the market its value is only 100 rupees per kg. Okay, the person who cut the wood using electric axe, for him, if people are giving 100 rupees per kg, then they will give only 100 rupees for the person who has cut with axe also. It doesn't matter whether you have used axe or whether you have used 1000 people to cut the tree or whatever, right? So it's not your time, it is not your hard work because of which people are giving you money in this market. So I want you to think over this and tell me what makes you feel that people's money will flow to you. I hope my question is clear. I'll be waiting for the answers, and let me tell you, I will be giving you the answer tomorrow, definitely. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.